first, we'll make our takoyaki sauce. In a medium bowl, we will just simply pop up all our ingredients such as 4 tablespoons mentsuyu. If you can source mentsuyu locally, you can leave it out. Or from where I am, Japanese ingredients are a rare find. So you should have to be creative in substituting some staples that closely tasted like the classic takoyaki of Japan. So as an alternative, try adding a dash of soy and a pinch of kombu dashi powder diluted in 2 teaspoons water. After that, we will also add 2 tablespoons worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce or ketchup, 1 tablespoon honey, half teaspoon garlic powder, and half teaspoon ginger powder. We will mix it all together. Then, we will pour the takoyaki sauce to a clean bottle squeezer for an easier use if you have. Now, we will make the takoyaki mix. In a large bowl, we will beat 2 eggs, and then we will add 2 cups of cold water and 1 teaspoon instant dashi. We will then add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt. We will mix it well. I'd like to put all my liquid mix in a bottle squeezer. It's just for a personal preference, but you don't have to. Then we will heat up our takoyaki pan and we will brush with oil the individual compartments. Or you can also use a paper towel dipped in oil. When the pan is hot, we will pour the butter into the individual compartments, almost to the top. Then we will add green onions. Our protein is a cooked octopus cut into small cubes, pickled ginger cut into small pieces, and you can add cream cheese as you like. This is optional. After a while, the bottom of the takoyaki will be cooked through. At this point, you can use a skewer or a chopstick to turn them to the side. If you can turn the takoyaki easily, it probably needs to cook for a bit longer. We will add a bit more butter to the balls to fill them up. Let them cook for a minute or so, and then flip them over to turn. The balls will become easier to turn the more they cook. The takoyaki are done when they're lightly brown and crispy on the outside, and they turn easily in their hold. Overall, I'd say it takes about 10 to 15 minutes per batch from start to finish, depending on how crispy or soft you like your takoyaki. We will plate it and drizzle with takoyaki sauce and mayonnaise. We will generously sprinkle rice flakes and aonori powder, and also with green onion. Time for a taste test. Yum! There you go, our easy takoyaki recipe. Enjoy, but be careful, the insides are hot. Till next time, bye!